Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So we had a fairly decent pullback to start the week off, and came back to test the trend line. As I said yesterday, didn't really bounce off any solid structure, but it did bounce, and we are now moving up. What we have got on the oscillators is they've separated far apart, and they are now starting to cross over. So that is a fairly strong signal. We've also got a moving average crossover of all three moving averages at the moment. So at the moment, the ultimate that I'm looking for really is for us to clear 33,486, and that would set up a fairly decent situation for sort of long-term portfolios for a move back to the upside. But for me, on the trading side, 3 hour, you can see there was no real structure. The proper bit of structure we were looking for was here. And we didn't quite get there. We sort of tried and then failed and continued up. So this could end up being a range, and I suspect that is what's going to happen. Now, I wouldn't want to be jumping in long up here. Definitely would consider a long off the bottom here again, but I'd want to see some structure. So 32,514 is the current area at the moment, and we do have gaps down to the downside, so I'll just get to those down the 15-minute. But yeah, I don't want to be jumping in long up here. I'm looking for pullback onto structure. Right, there's a gap there. And there's a small one here. You can see it's closed there and then opened up there. There's another one right at the bottom here, closed down there and then jumped up there. So there's quite a few gaps all the way up. So bottom line is you could expect a move all the way back down to the bottom of the range, somewhere in this area here at 32,514. So I think for me, this is a sit on hands. Probably just going to enter into some kind of a holding pattern until the federal, no, it's not the Fed, sorry, until the non-farm payrolls comes out. So we've got the jobs number this afternoon, which may create some volatility, although I doubt it. And then we've got the non-farm payrolls on Friday, and that more than likely going to create some volatility for us. So at the moment, we are ranging. We are stuck in a sideways motion, so I am only really interested in longs, a break of 32,926 or a retest of this area down here at 32,500. Not interested in shorting this just yet. The trend is up on the hour. It is up on the 3 hour and pointing strongly to the upside, and it is now confirmed up on the 8 hour as well. So definitely not looking for shorts, looking for opportunity to buy, and those are the two areas I'm paying attention to. So until we either break the lows of the week, is this the lows of the week? Yeah, so if we break the lows of the week to the downside, that's going to trigger shorts. If we break the current highs of the week to the upside, that's going to trigger longs. That's basically the long and short of it. Anyway, I hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.